College Aloet, Nesi Esemero, Lord Abui Kam, Arereng, Aduta Kino Kapun, Edolete, Arita Dopet, Ichunyak Aquatakan, Kanuasi Pokina, Atutangin.
You are the field supervisor of this project. Let no one lie you that the money was put on your account. You are accountable, and accountability doesn't mean on paper. It means physical supervision.
Absolutely.
That one you don't need an appointment by the virtue of you being a head teacher.
Yes.
And the government has brought a facility in the school. This is under your supervision by the virtue of your appointment.
Entirely.
If these engineers fail to listen to you, please make an alarm.
Julius Opaso, Apollo Severo, Iteso College Aloet, Ngesi Keuntebe, Ebuni Atutangin, Aijana Kinatekerna Koteso.
The coming of the swimming pool, I think we are blessed to introduce yet another sporting activity where we shall allow even the community to come and compete. If the journalists from the top are also interested in we shall compete with you and see who will win and who will lose.
Adukio na Atutangin, Nesi, Abuapugan, Ijaik, Ajorana ka UPDF, Orado ketait na Ngarnikit, Aina Petanu Aduk.
So this structure here will be so beneficial to the country as a whole, to Iteso region, because it will be the first of its kind, whereby most people around Africa, around East Africa, when such games come, they will be thinking of Iteso. And you know, where there are people, there is economic growth.
Reverend Canon Duncan Mugumuya, Lord Direct Commissioner, Koto Makronu, Physical Education and Sports, Ngesi Keuntebe, Iteso, Nesi Ibusa Kit, Aigangit, Anapetanu Adukio na Atutakangin.
Swimming is a physical activity. We want to promote physical activity for elderly, for disabled, for young ones, and for everyone. So Iteso community support the project where necessary. Make sure that you provide security for the project. The machine should be given security. Everyone come on board to make sure that this project progresses well.
Gabriel Esikukanuka TV East, Koibuga Soroti.